Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need windshield repair, transmission work, or a tune-up, Paragon Acura uses the industry's best factory-trained technicians along with the highest quality equipment to make sure your vehicle is serviced right the first time. Visit us at www.paragonacura.com, where you can get information about our high-tech collision center, print out money-saving service coupons, schedule a service appointment, and when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Paragon Acura is located at 5602 Northern Boulevard in Woodside, New York.